Nah, welcome back to Launch Rev USA, where we break down the hottest new rides on the market with no fluff and all the details you need to make the right choice. Today, we're talking about the all-new 2026 Mazda CX-20, Mazda's fresh entry into the compact crossover world that's already turning heads and making people rethink what an affordable SUV can be. This little machine is positioned right below the CX-30 as the brand's new gateway model, blending that signature Mazda driving joy with everyday practicality, premium touches, and just enough tech to feel modern without going overboard. I've spent some serious time behind the wheel and walking around one on the lot, and let me tell you, it's the kind of vehicle that makes you smile every time you climb in. Let's start with the outside because first impressions matter, and the 2026 CX-20 nails it right from the curb. Mazda has taken its Kodo soul of motion design language and given it a fresh, more athletic twist for this compact package. The front end features a bold, wide grille that's not quite as aggressive as the CX-50 but still commands attention, flanked by slim, signature LED headlights that sweep back along the hood with a sharp, almost predatory look. Those lights get a full-width light bar across the rear too, which looks killer at night. The hood has subtle character lines that flow into a sculpted body with a slightly raised beltline and a fastback-like roofline that gives it a coupe SUV vibe without sacrificing headroom. Overall length sits around 173 inches, making it nimble in city traffic, yet stable on the highway. And the wheelbase stretches just enough to carve out decent passenger space inside. Side profile is where the CX-20 really shines with its sporty stance. Available 17 to 19-inch alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly, depending on trim, and the lower body cladding is tasteful black plastic that keeps it looking rugged without going full off-roader. You can choose from some stunning colors this year. Soul Red Crystal Metallic is still a showstopper, but the new Polymetal Gray and Machine Gray really pop under sunlight, highlighting every curve. The rear end is clean and modern with those connected taillights, a subtle spoiler on the liftgate, and dual exhaust tips on higher trims that hint at the fun under the hood. Ground clearance is about 7.5 inches, enough for light snow or gravel roads without feeling like a lifted truck. Overall, the exterior feels premium and purposeful, like Mazda took everything people loved about the CX-3 and made it more grown-up and desirable. It doesn't scream budget SUV, it whispers, "I chose the fun one." Now pop the doors and slide inside because this is where the CX-20 punches way above its weight. Mazda has always been about driver-focused cabins, and the 2026 model takes that to the next level in this price range. The moment you settle into the driver's seat, you notice the high-quality materials everywhere. Soft touch plastics on the dashboard and door panels, stitched leather accents on the steering wheel, and available leather-trimmed seats that feel like they belong in something twice the price. The seats themselves are supportive with just the right amount of bolstering for spirited drives, and they're heated and ventilated on upper trims. Visibility is excellent thanks to the slim pillars and largouille, and the driving position is spot on, with plenty of adjustability. Up front, the centerpiece is a standard 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen that's bright, responsive, and finally gets wireless. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto across the board. No more fumbling with cables. The graphics are crisp, the menu layout is intuitive, and Mazda's rotary knob controller makes it easy to navigate without taking your eyes off the road. Below that, you've got physical climate controls, which I love because they're quick and tactile. The digital instrument cluster is fully configurable on higher trims, showing everything from navigation directions to efficiency stats. Rear passengers get decent legroom and headroom for a compact SUV. Adults can sit back there comfortably for short trips, and the 60/40 split folding seats make it versatile. Cargo space behind the rear seats is around 20 cubic feet, expanding to over 45 with the seats down, which is perfect for groceries, weekend gear, or a couple of suitcases. There's also a power lift gate available that makes loading effortless. Tech and safety are stacked too. Every CX-20 comes standard with Mazda's iActive suite, including adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims add a 360-degree camera, head-up display, and even traffic sign recognition. The cabin is surprisingly quiet at speed thanks to extra sound-deadening material, and the ambient lighting options add a nice premium touch at night. It just feels upscale, like Mazda said. We're not skimping on the details even if this is the entry model. Comfort-wise, the ride is plush over bumps without being floaty, and the climate system keeps things frosty or toasty in seconds. If you're coming from an older compact SUV, the interior upgrade here is night and day. All right, enough sitting around. Let's talk about what really matters to enthusiasts like us. Performance and how this thing drives. The 2026 CX-20 doesn't just get you from A to B. It makes the journey enjoyable, which is classic Mazda. Base models come with a 2.0-liter Skyactiv G 4-cylinder, pumping out about 155 horsepower and 150 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission and standard front-wheel drive, with all-wheel drive available as an option that adds confidence in rain or snow without killing efficiency. Acceleration is peppy enough for merging and city passing, 0 to 60 in around 9 seconds, but it's the way it handles that steals the show. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus system makes the steering feel connected and precise, and the chassis is tuned for that signature light, responsive feel. Body roll is minimal through corners, and the suspension soaks up imperfections while keeping things planted. If you step up to the optional 2.5-liter engine, you get closer to 190 horsepower and noticeably stronger mid-range torque, making highway overtakes effortless. Some trims even offer a mild hybrid assist that smooths out starts and improves fuel economy without adding much weight. I tested both setups, and the base engine is plenty for most drivers, but the bigger one feels more rewarding on twisty back roads. Fuel economy is impressive too. Expect around 28 to 32 miles per gallon combined, depending on engine and drivetrain, with highway numbers pushing into the mid-30s. That's real-world efficient without feeling like you're driving a hybrid that sacrifices fun. Brake feel is progressive and confidence-inspiring, and the available all-wheel drive system is seamless in the background until you need it. Noise, vibration, and harshness are well controlled, so long highway cruises are relaxed rather than tiring. In short, the CX-20 drives like a Mazda should, engaging, balanced, and way more fun than most competitors in this class like the Honda HR-V or Toyota Corolla Cross. It's not a sports car, but it never feels boring or numb. Finally, let's get into the part everyone's curious about: pricing and whether this thing delivers value. The 2026 Mazda CX-20 starts at a very approachable $26,000 for the base sport trim, which already includes a ton of standard equipment like the big touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, safety suite, and those stylish LED lights. Move up to the touring or preferred around $28,500 to $31,000, and you unlock nicer wheels, leather seats, the larger engine option, and more advanced driver aids. Top-tier premium or signature models with all the bells and whistles, full leather, head-up display, premium audio, and AWD top out around $35,000 to $38,000 fully loaded. That positions it right in the sweet spot against rivals, offering more premium feel and driving dynamics for similar or slightly less money. When you factor in Mazda's strong resale value, low ownership costs, and that warranty coverage, the CX-20 feels like a bargain. It's not the absolute cheapest in the segment, but you're getting a vehicle that feels like it costs thousands more. If you're shopping crossovers under 40Ks and you actually enjoy driving instead of just commuting, this one should be at the top of your list. Mazda has hit the mark with the 2026 CX-20, stylish, comfortable, fun, and affordable all in one tidy package. If you're in the market, head to your local dealer and take one for a spin. I bet you'll be impressed. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the CX-20 or what you want us to review next. Hit that like button if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe out there.